Good morning and happy International Coffee Day. I'm just chilling outside, sitting here drinking and enjoying my healthy, organic, LiveGood coffee. This is something I do almost every single day, and so do about 150 million of us. The benefits of an organic coffee are that it's clean, that it's harvested in a sustainable and healthy way. Whereas most coffee, especially your Starbucks, not even a single organic coffee on the menu, they are loaded with pesticides and chemicals, and then in the manufacturing process further depletes the bean of all of its nutritional benefits. And not only do we have a good, clean, organic coffee, but we enhanced it by adding brain-boosting mushrooms that are known as adaptogens because they help manage the stress response. We added maca and green tea because they're high in antioxidants and they're good for mental clarity and cognition. We also have a healthy weight loss fiber that is included in this coffee as well. It's ready mix, it's easy. You just add it to water, hot or cold, and enjoy. So happy International Coffee Day. Talk to you soon. Bye.